Hello everyone. Majority of the parents want to discipline their child. So what is disciplining? Disciplining is nothing but the child decides whether to behave in this particular way or in that particular way. So the child decides between the right and the wrong and behaves accordingly. So when we are talking about improving the decision making of the child, we can do a lot of activities which is directly or indirectly helps the child in getting disciplined. So some of the activities for decision making can be which food the child wants to eat for breakfast, either dosa or idli. So you can consult the child beforehand and take, when you're giving a choice to the child, see that you give only 2 choices to the child, and both should be acceptable by the parent initially, and no right and wrong choice. As much as possible, give only the right choices to the child. So you're already okay with whichever the choice the child selects. So it can be what dress the child wants to wear, what activities the child wants to do, what games the child wants to play, what slippers the child wants to wear. So these are the various things which helps in you can give decision making choices to the child. So this indirectly helps in the disciplining of the child. One more thing in disciplining is the child wants to know what is his or her limit. So the establishing clear rules at home is very important. And when you're establishing the rules, saying to the child face to face, eye to eye interaction on what all the rules at home can be very well done. It will make the child to understand and know it very clearly that what you say, you mean that. So this is one more thing where the child wants to know its limits. So disciplining can be done by setting the limits. The other thing is, whenever the child does something wrong, where the child is very small, where the language development has not happened, so within the age of probably 1 year, if the child is doing something wrong, just saying no and distracting the child for some other activities would help. Explaining why the no will not help much, because the language ability is not so good in this age group children. So after 1.5 years, where the child has picked a few words or things, no with one sentence of why you are saying no, to substantiate it can be done as a disciplinary method. So no, you might get hurt, that's the reason you're not supposed to jump on that. So saying no with the one sentence why. So once the child is 3+, where the child can, or once the child can speak very clearly in terms of at least a paragraph or 2 to 3 sentences, then you can, while you say no from any activity being stopped, you can give explanation why you are saying no to the child. So this way you can discipline the child. These are few ways in which you can discipline your child. Any further information related to disciplining, you can always consult us. Our website detail is like www.superkidsparenting.com, and you can watch our other videos related to what are the other activities you can do it with your child in our YouTube channel. It's Super Kids Parenting. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like it, share it. Thank you.